Hello everyone, today we're gonna change the fuel pressure sensor. It's on the driver's side passenger area, the back seat. So you're gonna need to take these four screws. We're gonna use a 5/16, maybe a little smaller probably, but this will work for me. We're gonna take all these screws out. Once the screws are removed, you lift this up. This part right here is what we're gonna change. Right here, you press that part down. Okay, hope you can see. You press it and then nice and gentle you pull it out. Okay, you pull it to the back. Okay, once that's done, you push this back out with a flathead screwdriver. Push it all the way out. And if the screwdriver doesn't work, if you have a pair of pliers or something, you can just pull it out. Okay, just like that. And then this just nice and easy, just come right out. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. Okay, to install the new one is very simple. You just line it up in the hole, nice and gentle. Push it out. You're gonna hear that little click noise. You go ahead and put the clip back on. Same place. This time you can even probably push it with your hand if you're strong enough. If not, you go ahead and use that little flathead you had. There you go. Make sure it's all the way in. You go ahead and plug it in. That. Put the cover back on. If you want to do a quick check before you put everything in, you can go to the gas station, and before you closing everything, you can make sure it's not leaking from there. That's it. Thanks for watching.